Giuseppina and Adele live in Cupello in Abruzzo. Ndrocchie pasta are special to the town.
Io sono Giuseppina.
E io sono Adele. Cominciamo a fare le ndrocchie e il sugo lo facciamo con la ventricina.
The ladies each make a dough using 500 grams of semola rimacinata with a good pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 egg. They scramble the oil and egg together in their pasta well using their fingertips. Adele is the lead pasta maker because we're in her farmhouse.
Beh, io quando voglio farlo faccio d'estate e d'inverno, faccio sempre. Mi piace a farlo perché la famiglia gli piace a tutti.
They add water a little bit of the time to form a stiff dough. This has to be kneaded for a good 10 minutes.
Quindi le prime volte che le avete fatte, le ndrocchie erano piccole?
Io avevo 13 anni. Con mamma me l'ha imparata, mia mamma, a fare questi ndrocchi. Adesso che è una cosa che si fa a lungo.
The ladies work their way along the pasta roll to ensure even kneading. The dough doesn't need to rest. They cut a small piece off at a time and roll it. They use a small pin for a small sfoglia or pasta sheet. It needs to be a couple of millimeters thick. Adele slices it into roughly 3 centimeter squares. They're using a square-sided metal dowel or ferro in Italian. Adele's method is to place the rod along the far edge and roll it firmly towards her to form a thick tube. Giuseppina's technique is slightly different because she grew up in a neighbouring village and came to Cupello when she got married. She rolls it back and forth, so her pasta tubes are slightly longer. Every August, the ladies prepare ndrocchie pasta for Cupello's food festival and use 200 kilos of flour.
Queste sono le ventricine per fare il sugo. Adesso lo tagliamo a pezzetti e lo mettiamo a fare il sugo. A posto?
The Vasto area is famous for its Ventricina salami, and we visited the town's producer to find out about it.
So I'm in an Aladdin's cave of Ventricina. It's a special kind of salami. The producer is called Peschetola, and they're proud makers of this particular salami. It's only made with prime cuts of meat, and they chop the meat rather than put it through a grinder. So it's got a lovely firm texture. And the colour comes from the pepperoni dolce, the sweet peppers that you get in the Altino area, and it's ground and added. And this producer also adds a little bit of pepperoncini, a little bit of hot pepper as well. So it's this wonderful spicy salami that is used with a pasta, which we're about to find out about.
Adele cubes it. It's a lovely colour thanks to the ground Altino red pepper. She adds the pieces to a pan and slices some garlic. She fries them in olive oil, and once the salami starts to release its colour, she pours in some home-bottled tomatoes with several basil leaves.
Mettiamo un po' di sale
Ah, nel sugo.
al sugo.
She seasons it with a pinch of salt.
Com'è?
It needs only around 10 minutes cooking, and the kittens would like some.
Magnifico.
Questo è la cantina. Guarda le botte di vino che dobbiamo riempire sabato. Se fa il tempo buono dobbiamo riempire tutte queste botte. Dobbiamo vendemmiare. Questa è la camera della cantina.
She adds the pasta to boiling salted water.
Quando facciamo quelle caldaie di sugo, allora facciamo le ndrocchie, 1,70, 1,80, 1,60 di sugo, un quintale e 60 e 60 di sugo, 2 caldaie così. Voi dovete venire quando si fa proprio la sacra delle ndrocchie, allora vedete.
They need around 10 minutes cooking because they're quite thick, but always test them for doneness.
Vedi pure tu? Dai, che ci tarchiamo pure a te, ragazzi. Dai, guarda. Guarda, glielino con. Ma va.
Può andare.
Adele scoops them out and dresses them with the sauce.
Allora la pasta è pronta, il piatto è pronto, si può mangiare. Le ndrocchie.
Al sugo di Ventricina.
Juliana is our local contact and is a big Pasta Grannies fan, so she's our taste tester today. Buon appetito!
Superlativo.
Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.